Watch how bright that fucking thing is.
Wait, let me see.
It'd be kind of cool to have those 3.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, no, like have like 3 or 4 of them going at once while we're lighting off. George comes out. All right, Che, you can't be lighting those, dude.
I didn't see who was dead.
No, don't light it anymore. Cause I've been lighting those all day. It's past 10, and I don't want to push it.
He's staring at it. He's not able to drive home.
Yeah, dude, I wouldn't stare at that. Oh, I don't care. Watch him be wearing his sunglasses tomorrow.
Have those going as the lightning?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, until I blow my hand off.
Can't see the light the wick there.
See how long that thing is, dude?
You only need to have one bit. No, we're lighting all 3.
No.